This is the ultimate real estate investment deal analyzer. The idea is simple. You type a deal in once, and the workbook tells you whether it's worth buying, cap rate, cash on cash, DSCR, cash flow, the whole picture, and grades it against your own targets. Let me walk you through it with a real sample deal. A duplex at 123 Maple Avenue. The dashboard is where you start and finish. Up top, the verdict, strong buy. Below it, every metric that matters, each graded against the targets you set. Cap rate, 8.55%, passes. Cash on cash, 7.6, just under your 8% target, so it's flagged for review. DSCR 1.43, monthly cash flow $595, the 1% rule at 1.16, all green. 4 of 5 targets met, and on the right, the same property run as a BRRRR and as a flip, so you can compare strategies at a glance. This is the engine. You enter the purchase price, your rents, and the If you're using the BRRRR strategy, buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. This tab does the math that trips most investors up. Your all-in cost on this one is $228,200. After the rehab, the property appraises at $285, and a 75% cash-out refinance hands you a new loan of $213,750. Subtract that from your all-in, and you've left just $14,450 in the deal, while capturing over $70,000 in equity. Leave nothing in, and the return is effectively infinite. Flipping instead? Enter the after-repair value, and the 70% rule sets your maximum allowable offer. Here, $190,000. Your purchase at $189 comes in just under it. Add the rehab, holding costs, financing, and the selling costs, and the workbook lands on a net profit of $58,800, a 23% return on your cash, or 46% annualized over a 6-month hold. If the numbers don't clear your target, it tells you to pass. Cash flow is today, wealth is the long game. When you're weighing several properties, drop up to 5 of them onto the comparison tab. Each one is scored on cap rate, cash on cash, DSCR, and cash flow against your targets, then ranked, and the best buy is highlighted for you. Here, the Maple Avenue duplex wins on cash, so you know where to put your offer first. And that's the tour. Set your rates and targets once on the Assumptions tab. Enter a property on the Rental Analyzer and read the verdict on your dashboard. Then test it as a BRRRR or a flip and stack it against your other deals. 14 connected tabs in all, and it works in both Excel and Google Sheets. The link to grab it is in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next deal.